Hey friend, it's Octavia Klein. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Either way, I'm glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 very simple steps on how to brand yourself on social media. So if you're somebody who is an entrepreneur, or you're in sales, or you're just trying to be an influencer, I don't care what it is. If you want to look better online and you just want a quick tutorial on how to just kind of give your social media channels a great facelift, this is a great video for you. Because here's the thing, if somebody Googles you, sometimes it's your Facebook or your Instagram that pops up, and if those are not polished and looking and feeling like what you're selling and what your entrepreneurship is, then sometimes people go elsewhere. I know for me personally, I have definitely tried to find somebody and then their social media came up and I'm like, they're not really even doing anything like this. So you know, it's really great to have a polished look on social media, and this is what's going to help you. If you'd like a more detailed guide, I do have a 5-step guide below. It's free on how to brand yourself, but I'll get started now. So the first thing you want to do to have really great branding is to have a really great headshot. So you see my profile picture. I have a really awesome headshot here that I have taken, and it's a professional headshot. So if you can't get a professional headshots, I do actually have a link below in the comments on how to create a really awesome headshot using your smartphone. And I've had a lot of people use my guide to create a really awesome headshot with their phone. So you can use that as well, but you want to have a great headshot. And the couple of things to remember when you are shooting a headshot. Number one, you want people to see the whites of your eyes and the whites of your teeth, okay? It's also helpful for them to see your hands. It actually gives people a sign of trust when they can see your hands. This goes back to caveman days. So actually back in the caveman days, you know, when cavemen are like meeting a new tribe, if somebody had their hands behind their back and they couldn't see it, that meant that person could have a weapon to hurt them with. So when you reach out to shake somebody's hand or you wave hello, it gives an automatic trust. So you see I have both hands pictured here. You see the whites of my teeth, the whites of my eyes, okay? So that's kind of constitutes a really great headshot. Now, the other thing I would say is you want to have that same headshot on all of your profiles. So you see I have it on Instagram, I have it on my LinkedIn, and I have it on my Facebook. The second step to having a really great branded look is to have a really nice branded cover photo. So I have a really great cover photo here, which actually leads, when people click my cover photo, it leads them to my online Facebook community where I can even sell even more products and services and get to know my audience at a deeper level. Again, I have one very similar for my LinkedIn. And with the cover photo, you can actually just create this in Canva. What I did is I created a mock-up in Canva, and I created sort of a mock-up of what I wanted. And then what I did with this is I sent it to somebody at Fiverr, Fiverr, and they made me a more professional looking one like you see here, okay? So that's how I did mine, but you can also just create one in Canva as well. They have a ton of great templates in here. Just put cover photo. You just type that in. There's a lot of really great templates where you can just drag and drop your own photo into it. Okay, so you could just do that for free. All right, so the third step, and this is the third one, is to actually have your links in your bio. Okay, so that's like the biggest thing that I see people not doing on social media. So in your bio, you should have your links to Instagram, your links to TikTok, your link tree. So I have a link tree in here with a ton of links that people can download my free guide, they can check out my YouTube channel, they can find the links to me in here, right? I also have a link to my website right in here as well. So I have a link to my website in here. So I have all of my links. Now in my Instagram, you can only have one link. So you can either do a link tree, so you have a lot of links, but I go to my website because most of the things I do, you can actually get my website. I have it set up that you can actually find all of these things there as well, okay? You can also do a milkshake as well, but those are basically the 3 ways to brand yourself. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. It's going to take you 2 seconds and it's going to totally make my day. Below, I have that free guide for you. If you want to go a step further with your branding on your social media, that will totally help you, and it's free and it's in the links below. If you want to buy me a coffee, hey, I'm down for that. You can also find that link below. And have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.